here. I have a few thoughts I wanted to share. I want to talk today about a phrase that we use a lot when we try and explain to our partners and potential partners why we're different and how we do things slightly differently than they may be used to or they may have heard from other creating digital teams. I want to talk about minimalist code. You're probably familiar with the idea of minimalism, really the sense that you just have what you need and you don't have anything more than that. And minimalism, obviously, there's a whole industry, related to that. And minimalism affects a lot of different ways of life. When we talk about minimalist code, we talk about the way that we build websites, only including what you need. And for some folks that may be like, well, there's things that I may need in the future that I can't plan for. I don't know. I want to have the ability to make sure that I can have that, if and when I may need something else. And that's a fine, legitimate concern. The thing that normally happens with that approach is that the website, especially, and this is very too much in the WordPress world, websites will get overbuilt, right? They will be bloated. They will have a lot of unnecessary code. You'll have a list of 45 different, maybe 105 Google fonts that you could choose from. Nobody needs that. This has serious issues for the performance of your website, the security of your website, the search engine optimization of your website, the usability of your website. Essentially everything that makes your website what it is affected by bloated code. Building in a million different options does not help anyone. The only person that it helps, and this is entirely true, the only person that it helps are the people who develop WordPress themes that they sell on these third-party markets like ThemeForest or other places, where the intent is to offer something that literally anybody can use. And as soon as you are building something for anyone, you have put in way too much for the specific purpose that a particular user or a particular website has. So when we custom design our websites, we also build them out specifically for what the website's goal is, what the purpose of the website, what our partner needs with that. And minimalist code is really a big part of that because it says that we're not overbuilding, we're not adding in features that they don't need, we're not possibly putting in something that could become a security risk at some point. As soon as you put in more than is necessary, you open yourself up to issues that could pop up. We have never had an issue where a client has said, hey, our website doesn't do what we need it to do, because early in the process we really talk about what's the purpose of the website, what's the goal, why does it exist, and that's what we design and that's what we build towards. Obviously, there are times as a website ages, you have to add more functionality to it, and because we really believe in long-lasting relationships, we're there to support our clients and figure out how we do that. We always like to build with a purpose in mind. We don't build just to have something. We build because it's a specific need on the site. So having kind of this mindset of developing minimalist code really allows us to obviously keep the website fast, keep it secure, keep it optimized for search engines, all the really kind of best practices that you need in a website, but really make sure that when our partners go in and they're managing the back end of the website, they don't see things that are unnecessary to them, right? They can control everything that they need to, but they don't have a ton of options, menus, and things that don't actually affect the content and the purpose of the site. So minimalist code is something that we talk about. That's really what it is. That's something we really feel is important and differentiates us. But really for the client, for the partner of ours, it's really the most important thing because it makes sure that the site is built just for them. You're not buying a theme that's built for anybody and then kind of jerry-rigging it to use your goals, to achieve your goals and fit your content. It's being built just for you and what your purpose is, and minimalist code really plays a big part in that. So I hope you like that. I will check in with you later and have a good one.